Hey, wetin dey happen for Owerri? Wetin dey happen for Owerri, Imo State? I don tire for all this unknown men, abi na unknown gunmen matter o. I don tire. See where dem kill two innocent, dem kill two traders. Stray bullet. Abi una know wetin be stray bullet? Some people go call am flying bullet, but no be the right word. Stray bullet kill traders. When all these unknown gunmen come to attack newly built police station. Na im be say dem don attack that police station before, dem just rebuild am, dem come back to destroy the police station. If una see mass destruction of this police station, you no go believe say na police station. The only thing wey go make you believe say na police station na the painting wey dey the body of the building. I think say na the fence or so, because I no see building again, na only fence I see dey stand for that place. My people dem bring down the whole building. This kind thing I never see. Dem don turn Owerri to World War II. In fact, this one don pass World War II, na World War III. The one wey we never see before. Na the thing dey happen for that place. If una see street of Owerri, hey God, dem dey shoot like say na contra. Dem dey shoot like say na commando and boss dey fight. Hey, my people, I shock. Even some people dey hail the people wey carry gun. I don't know whether na due to fear or they want me to know them so that they no go shoot. I don't even know their aim. But they need the hail. See dead body. If you see the people just they lie down like fowl, just like that, they don't die. My people, I don't want to talk too much. Make una use una eyes see the video.
As this thing happened in Owerri, they don't destroy everything. Raphael don't start for this side. In front of my house, Jesus Christ.
It has not been like this, so people they even hail them to show them how these people are Biafra men. People are even hailing them. Can you imagine? This is a sign for me, yeah.
Abi una don see am. I no know where president of Nigeria dey. I no know wetin this governor of Imo State dey do. Dem no dey see wetin dey happen. This unknown gunmen, wetin be their own aim? I no understand whether they no want police station to dey Imo State again, or they no want police to dey waka around Imo State, because I don't know why dem dey attack police station itself, because their focus these days na police station. I don't understand whether they no want police protection again or waiting. And this president Kwanu wey no dey talk, he no turn deaf and dumb. He no dey see wetin dey happen, or because in the White House, abi na government house, abi na Aso Rock, I no know the kind place wey in dey, abi na because of that place wey in dey, he no know wetin dey happen for the country. See how innocent souls just waste for market. People wey just dey, maybe dem dey find daily bread. Okay, ma sell small tomato, ma sell small pepper, ma sell this one, do this one, so that family go feed. Na there their life end, lying lifeless for that place, blood everywhere. Which kind Nigeria be this? When this country go change? No be say na person wey, no be say na one of the unknown gunmen dem kill. No be say na one of the street stouts dem kill. Innocent women just stay die like that. Owerri people, make una dey house. In fact, stray bullets still fit enter person house. Which kind life people dey live for that place? That place na so war, fight, Undertaker versus wetin dem dey call this one, Mike Tyson and the rest. Everything dey happen for that place. Which kind life be this? Owerri. And this place na where I come from. I no sure say I go visit that state again, because all this is where they happen. I no sure say I go fit reach that place. Which kind thing dey happen for that kind? Hey, this unknown gunmen, when dem go know them? Now my question: when dem go know these people, bring them to justice? Who dey sponsor these activities? Politicians where una dey, una no dey see wetin dey happen. People father mother na dem be policemen o and policewomen for that place. I sure say as dem dey destroy, lives go dey lost. Just like that, people dey die for the country. Where una dey, una no dey see wetin dey happen. Ha, my people, I don tire. Na here I go stop the tori for the day o. If una get anything to comment concerning this matter, if una get anything to talk concerning this event wey I just talk about, my people, make una put am for the comment section. Please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.